All right, guys, we gotta have some words. I'm going to pick up Liam now. We're gonna go stop at the storage unit. I got a couple of things to show you, and crap, I was supposed to show you guys what I got in the P.O. box. There was 2 things that I do need to show you guys. I'll do that, I guess, when I get home. But I got a 3rd thing in the P.O. box that you guys, I've been waiting on this for a long time, so that's pretty cool. But like I said, so P.O. box is down in the description if you guys want to send me stuff. Don't send me stuff that's like crazy expensive or that you have to go out of your way to get. Anything you guys send me, I mean, I like the personalized stuff, you know, kids will send stuff, or just, I don't know. Don't send anything crazy. You don't have to if you don't want to, but if you can, go ahead. Let's get to the storage unit. Let's go have a conversation. All right, let's start off here. So, Adrian, I appreciate you sending these out. He sent me the fronts and the backs, and I got the center cap. I got this one from Louis, again, another piece. He's always got the cool shit. And then Adrian sent me out the actual covers themselves. So I'm definitely digging the new look. I just need to get the front cover up there, and then she's pretty much done until we decide to throw mega cab flares on it. I do need to get a set of those at some point. Now, it is raining. Now, I spoke with you guys. Here's what we need to talk about, okay? I spoke with you guys yesterday on this trailer, okay? And there was, you know, a minor amount of people, but still people that complain, oh, you're all over the place or this and that. If you're in this industry to just stay where you're at, you're not doing something right. You can't just stay where you're at. You need to grow. You need to constantly go where the money's at, okay? This trailer right here, okay? I'm leasing this as a 32-footer. I've already explained it is too small. I pay $250 a week for a trailer that is not mine. This is $1,000 a month. If I were to rent it for a year, that's $12,000 gone, and I don't own a thing, okay? So that is why I'm looking into going and buying another trailer. Obviously 32 foot, and this trailer is a little heavy because it has the wood deck. I was looking for a 53 foot Kaufman 3-car trailer, okay? I would have loved that, but unfortunately right now where we're at, that deal fell through. It is what it is. You can't expect things to go perfect in this industry. Hey, keep that under there, buddy. You don't want this trailer going anywhere. So my goal, I want to get rid of this one. I found a Kaufman 2-car. The guy wants $2,000 down and $1,000 a month to lease to own the trailer. Now, before I go that route, because it's over in Massachusetts, before I go that route, I want you guys to let me know, can any one of you get me a Kaufman 36 foot or greater 2-car trailer with the center deck, nothing in the center, just the outside? Can one of you guys find me one of them, a lease to own program on that? I will gladly pay $1,000 a month. I want that trailer paid off, gladly pay it, okay? Let me know. You guys obviously know me, not out here to screw anybody. If somebody wants to help me out and can find me something, I'll go that route if one of you guys sends me something. But if not, I'm gonna give it about 2 weeks, and then I'm gonna go over to Massachusetts. I'm gonna drop $2 grand, go pick up this trailer, and then we're gonna do a lease to own. So $1,000 a month, I'll have the trailer within 4 to 5 months. It'll be mine, okay? And that's what I'll run, and that'll be my trailer. In 4 to 5 months, once I own that trailer, then I will start looking for a Kaufman 3-car trailer. Now, I wanna get things done with this first. There are some things I wanna do just in the meantime, because obviously we have body work, we have other things to do. I also have, as you guys know, I have an $18,000 bill that's gonna be coming up in December that needs to be paid off. I have to pay $18,000 in cash. That's why I'm not dumping all the cash that I have right now. I'm just not. I've already told people, don't get into business with sketchy people. I used to own a business. I got into business with somebody that was very shady. He screwed over a lot of people in the Harrisburg area, and people still used him. Now I think his name is all over Harrisburg. He's gone to jail a couple of times for stealing. Just don't get into business with shady people. That's basically it. So on December, that'll be my last legal payment that I ever have to pay, and my name's cleared and we're good to go. So that's why, like I said, not dumping all the cash that I have. But this is a 32 foot load trail. It's been a decent trailer. The only downside is, one, I don't like the winch setup, which it could be changed, but I've already used this entire deck space, and I've also gone too far back. I've had to pull the deck out, or the ramps out, and put a car on that. So that's my issue with a 32 footer. Ideally, yes, I want to be able to move 3 cars, but you can only move in baby steps. This thing, whereas it helps make money and keep me home every week, it's a waste of money. That's just basically how it is. It would be better if I was leasing to own, or I just owned it outright. A normal trailer payment's like 250 bucks a month. So if you're looking to lease a trailer just to lease it, it is always cheaper to just buy a trailer with how cheap these things are, okay? But if somebody can find me one of them, even I know Diamond C's actually even running a two-car setup that's really light with their engineered beam and all that stuff. So I definitely want that, and I also want a kingpin. I was asked, why do you want a kingpin over a gooseneck ball? I'll take this setup in a heartbeat over a gooseneck. I don't know how true this is, but I've heard that this is actually cheaper on insurance. They give you a discount for having a kingpin as opposed to a gooseneck, but it's also just something I prefer. I would prefer this strong, steady connection over a gooseneck ball that's literally just a ball in the bed and you got to grease it all the time. Whereas this, you can grease the jaws and grease the moving parts. But as for greasing, you guys can see there's a lube plate right there. You can see right here, it just sits right up underneath here and you don't have to worry about greasing that, okay? So there's a bunch of good reasons why you'd run a 5th wheel or kingpin over a gooseneck. It's my preference. That's how I'm gonna do it. So that's the conversation we needed to have. This is probably just gonna be an update video because I really don't have much going on. I wanted to clean the truck and then it started raining, but I do need to get this tailgate work done. I do need to get a bumper, a couple of things on that, but Liam immediately noticed the wheel covers when he came out of school today. Immediately noticed them. So when I get home, I got 2 more things in the P.O. box. Somebody actually sent me a full set of car straps, which I was kind of hesitant at first to accept, but some persuading. I was like, all right, send them out. You know, I got the P.O. box down in the description. And then somebody sent me, it was a fire starter kit. I thought it was pretty neat. I want to show you guys that. So that's 3 things we've already gotten in the P.O. box. But again, this isn't me saying, hey, send me free shit. You know, it's just one of those, it's like everybody seems to do it YouTuber wise, and it's like, I don't know, people have wanted to send me stuff for a while and I've just always been hesitant on doing it. So now's your chance. You want to send me stuff. If you want to send me stuff that I can buy off of you, you can also do that. Send me a message. If you have something that, hey, pay the shipping, or hey, pay for, you know, whatever it is, I need stuff. Whether you see mega cab flares and you want to send me them, I'll gladly pay for them. You got like a motor and the whole setup to put something up there, I'll gladly buy it off of you. Things like that. I will gladly buy that type of stuff off of you guys. Any like straps or things that you think that I could use, go ahead, send it. If you want money for stuff, great. If not, great, it doesn't matter. I'm also looking for a set of mud flaps that go back here. I wouldn't mind the rock tamers, but they're stupid expensive. I also need to get the lock. The key is broken off in the lock in here, which kind of sucks. So I'm gonna have to get that and then pull this out one, but not really a big deal. But there's that. So aside from that, I'm gonna take this at some point and we're gonna make a banner up top, just like the back windows here, so that we'll have some sunshade protection. Maybe I'll do that now. No, it's raining right now. I don't think we should do that. But other than that, it's coming together pretty good. Sorry, not the most interesting video in the world, but like I said, I don't have stuff going on, and not really much I can do. Don't really want to spend a ton of money right now while I'm sitting. We are booked for Monday. I got 2 cars booked, an F-150 and a Caravan. Definitely booked. If they don't show up on Monday, then that sucks. But 2 going down to Florida, and then we'll have 2 more coming back up, and then yeah. So please let me know, guys, if you have a trailer, someone leased, anything. If I can lease to own something, let me know. I will gladly pay about $1,000 a month, $250 a week for a trailer to own one. So let me know. Even if if you got a 53 footer, I'll even do that gladly. We can write some legal paperwork up. We can do all that. Let me know. I want to get rid of the load trail. I want to give it back to the owner. I want to get it cleaned up, looking nice, so that he can have a perfectly minty trailer when it gets back to him. So let me know. Also, a bunch of you guys mentioned Liam trying to show his truck in the one video. The GoPro doesn't actually allow me to see. So if I'm sitting like this, I can't see him. So he can be doing like pretty much whatever. So he had mentioned he wanted to show you guys. He got I guess he's the camper of the day, which means I think that means that he was the best student of the day. So, I mean, there's something. But it's pretty awesome. Proud of him. Give him a congratulations down in the comments. I'm sure he would appreciate it. He loves reading your guys' comments too. A lot of guys commented about his truck. He was super happy about it. So go ahead, give him a comment. We're gonna head home. I'm gonna show you guys what else we got in the P.O. box, and we'll go from there. But I definitely appreciate you guys. All right, so I told you guys I'd do this. Harrison Lewis sent me out a decent package of new straps. We got 4 new ratchets, a bunch of straps in here. We got 4 of these and 4 of the long ones, so that's awesome. Came from Harrison. Rhino. I haven't gotten to try these products out yet. I think I'm gonna wait until I get the new trailer to do that. But in the meantime, these do look super good. And kiddos, what'd you do? Come here, come here. Look, what do you think? What'd you do? Oh, you just hurt your leg? He's a little shy. But, and then I don't want to get addresses, so this just came to the P.O. box. I wasn't expecting it. Dave, let's see, I gotta cut some of this stuff out. Magnesium fire starter, and there you go. I do need to figure out how to use this. Oh, okay, these are the, that's the can opener. Aha, I see. Okay, so that makes sense. So yeah, I need to figure out how to use this, and then these are the can opener. I remember talking to somebody about these, so that's kind of neat. Now I'm gonna have to figure out how to use these, but that's awesome. All right, that's pretty much gonna do it for the video. There's, like I said, there's not really much else going on. Just got all 3 of the kids, the whole family's together. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay safe out there. Appreciate you. Bye.